Welcome to Social Science class, Standard 4, Term 1, Lesson 2, 5 Landscapes. Which is your native place? Our native place is Conchipuram. In which district your native place is situated? It is situated in Conchipuram district. What do you see around your house? Croplands, houses, trees, stones and dry lands. Now we are going to see about the 5 landforms of ancient Tamil Nadu. In this lesson, we are going to know about the different types of landforms in ancient Tamil Nadu, to know about the themes of classification, to understand the lifestyle of people in different landforms of Tamil Nadu. In the solar family, our Earth is the third planet. It has oxygen and temperature to live. Therefore, we call the Earth as biosphere. Biosphere means the region occupied by the living organisms like plants and animals. The Earth or the life sphere is surrounded by 5 elements of nature called land, water, air, fire and the sky. Now you see this in the picture. In the ancient Tamil Nadu, the landscapes was divided by 5. That is Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal and Palai. Where would you see more hills on the earth? We see in the mountains. Where would you see wild animals with more trees? We see wild animals in the forest. Where does the paddy grow? The paddy grows in the agricultural land. What would you see there? Seashore. We see the seashore in the sea, near the sea or in the beach. What is the name of useless land? Fallow land or wasteland. The places we see on the earth surface is called the landforms. Now let us see how the land were divided into different types in ancient Tamil Nadu. They were divided the earth according to its fertility and the people's activity. Physical features of the land. The physical features are mountain, forest, plain, seashore and dry land. In the olden days or in the Sangam age, the landforms are divided according to the work done by the peoples. There were 5 landscapes. The landscapes were called in olden days Thinai. Out of the 5 Thinais, only 4 were permanent. They were Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam and Neidal. The 5th land Palai was formed when the Kurinji and Mullai dried up, or it won't get rain at all. The 5 landscapes are Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal and Palai. Mountain and its surrounding areas are called Kurinji. Forest and its surrounding areas are called Mullai. Agricultural land and its surrounding areas are called Marudam. Sea and its surrounding areas are called Neidal. Dry lands or wastelands are called Palai. Let us see about Kurinji. These landforms are named after the fertility of the land and the people's occupation. A mountain is a large geographical area that rises above the surrounding land with the peaks. Kurinji and Kandal flower grown here. We can see monkey, elephants, deer and peacock here. Wild rice, millet like the plants grown here. Sandal and redwood trees we can see here. The theme. Each and every Thinai has its own theme and Karupurul. The theme or Karupurul dealt with God, people, occupation, plant, flower, animal, bird and the musical instrument. Let us see about Kurinji theme. God is Murugan. People are called Kuravar and Kuratiyar. Their occupation is hunting. They gather roots, honey, and dry leaves. Plant is bamboo and vangai. Flower is kurinji. Animal or monkey, deer. Birds were peacock, parrot. Their musical instrument is kurinjiyal. We can see this in the picture. God is Murugan. See the Kuravar how they are sitting. Their main occupation is gathering honey. The bird and animal you can see in the picture. The people and their occupations of Kurunji land are Porupan is a soldier, Verpan, leader of the tribal weaponist, Silamban, master of the martial arts. He knows the art of fighting. Kuravar, hunter and gatherer. Kanavar, people of the mountainous forest. The people were called in different names according to their occupation in each and everything. The soil of Kurunji land was red and black soil with stones and pebbles. Some of the important hills of Tamil Nadu are Kolli Hills, Shervarayan Hills, Kalrayan Hills, Nilgiri Hills, Javad Hills, and Yelagiri Hills. See the Kurunji flower, how it blooms. It is a miraculous flower. It blooms once in 12 years. We can see this flower in the Western Ghats. We can see this flower in the month of July to September. It has high medicinal value. So the mountain itself called Nilgiris. Because of the flower only, the mountain called Nilgiris. Small recap about Kurunji. God is Murugan. The region is mountain. They get water from the waterfalls. We can see Kurunji flower and Kurunji yard. Next, we will pass on to the Mullai. Mullai is a forest and adjoining areas are called Mullai. A large area thickly covered by trees are called forest. The god is Mayon or Thirumal. This region is also called Sembulam because of the presence of red soil. We can see cattle, deer, rabbits here. The main theme of Mullai was God is Thirumal. The people are called Edayar Edaichiyar, Ayar Aichiyar. Their occupation is cattle rearing, gathering fruits, sowing millets, and selling milk products. Plant is Gawa, flower is Mullai or Jasmine, animal is bear and rabbit, bird is parrot. Their musical instrument is Mullai yard. You can see this in the picture. Thirumal, their occupation is cattle rearing, animal is rabbit, parrot, and flower is Mullai. The people and their occupation of Mullai is Idayar. They sell the milk product and they are called a milk seller. Ayar, they rear the cattle. The soil of Mullai, it is red soil with stones and pebbles. Usually we can see many forests in Tamil Nadu. Mangrove forest is in Pichavaram, Malay forest in Nilgiris, reserve forest in Kanyakumari district, Shola forest in Coimbatore and Nilgiri district. We can get many products from the forest. They are paper, safety masks, fragrance oil, medicines, balm, soap, furnitures, and many industrial raw materials we get from the forest only. The unique feature of Mullai is Pichavaram forest. Pichavaram is a village near Chidambaram in Kadalur district of Tamil Nadu, which is the second biggest mangrove forest in India. It comprises small vegetation, aquatic animal, etc. with the moist temperature. We can see crocodiles, tortoise, and other sea animals here. The unique feature of mangrove forest is we can see the roots on the water. Mangrove forest can be recognized by the dense tangle of prop roots. We can see the root above the water also. Which is the first mangrove forest or largest mangrove forest in India is Sundarbans in West Bengal. Thank you, children. We'll see other three things in the next class.